Hi guys, I just got my brand new Smartduvet and let's open it together. Okay, oh nice. So there's the Smartduvet box. Let's scooch this one over, see what's in here. All right, so we've got our user's manual. Keep that close by. Power. Little knobs. And the hoses. Okay, cool. I'll put that right there and go see what's next. Okay, so this would be my unit. Nice. So we got the power button, the power cord. Cool. And, la pièce de résistance, the duvet. Cool. So, looks like we've got all our pieces. So now we gotta put it together. Okay, so according to this, first step is to remove the duvet from its cover. Alrighty. Okay, so I removed the duvet from my duvet cover, and now it says to just leave my sheet and my fitted sheet made on the bed. Okay, so I'm all set. Now I need to unfold the membrane and put it on. Okay, so here we go. I guess I'll put these knobs aside for now, and I will open up there we go. Ooh. Okay, so I've unfolded the membrane, and it says here to make sure that the metallic rings are on the side of the mattress. So yes, they are. And then I've got my bigger circles there and my mattress there. Perfect. Now I've got to put the duvet on. So let me put that down. And go. Okay, so next we need to secure the duvet to the membrane by using the star-shaped holes in the membrane. Okay, so let's take a look. Oh, there you go. Okay. Nice, easy. There we go. Okay, so now I've got to put my duvet cover back on this. Okay, now that should be, there we go. So just slip it in. Now, the hoses. Okay, so that was in the box. I've got to connect them to the duvet and the machine. Okay, so let's get them out. Nice. And I'll put that aside for now. Okay. Now, here they are. Aha. So we've got these. Put that down. put it under, but it said that we can put it up. So there we go. Now we're going to secure the Smartduvet to the bed with the clips. Where are the clips? Okay, that must be that bag. Ah, here we go. Oh, okay. And, there we go. So you've got the little clip here and it fastens like that. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to use the clips to fasten everything together by passing them underneath the flat sheet and in through the metallic rings. Okay, so I saw the metallic rings and start at the center. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, here they are. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure that it's centered. There we go. That's good. So underneath the fitted sheet, there we go. Oh, and then I've got it in and press and turn. Secured. Oh, cool. Okay, next one. So let's just open it up. There we go. Okay. And under the fitted sheet, through everything, push in and turn. Cool. Go. Where was there more? Okay, so there's another one here. So, there. And put a sheet back on. Put all that in. Guess there'll be one more at this end. Where are you? Okay, so there we go. Next step is to secure the top corners so that the Smartduvet and the duvet and the sheets are all together. Okay, let's go take a look. Okay, so let's find it. Oh, there it is. Now, my sheet's a little longer, so I could fold it back like this. And then just, where is it? Oh, there it is. In, and twist. There you go. Easy. Okay. Well, here's a closer look. Here. See, you just turn it and open. Now I had an easy time holding it like this, so that when I pushed up and then pushed on the ring, it made it easier then to turn and twist. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Now let's do the other side. Earring. Oh, there it is. Oops. Okay, secured. It looks like I'm ready to plug it in. Cool. Okay. There we go. Secured. And plugged in. Let's turn it on. Cool. Okay, so I had already downloaded my app. So let's see, we'll turn it on. Ooh. Oh, cool. Green. So we're all set up and we're ready to get it started. So I've downloaded my app. So let me show you that. So this is what it looks like. So here you have your Smartduvet app. Oops. And here we go. Touch it. And if we're here, this is what your temperature control is. So you got dual controls. So one for one side, one for the other. Here, this is the lighting that I was playing with a while ago. So you can change the colors that you prefer in the lighting. And this one here is to make the bed. And you can even set up the timer right here to make it automatically once you're out and about. So let's give it a try. So I'm going to make like I just came out of bed. There we go. And over to the other side because there's two of us. And there we go. And let's give it a start. Ooh. Oh, this is cool. And there you go. Way cool. No more arguing on who makes the bed in the morning. Perfect. So you can see how it's all nice and stretched out. And because we've attached all the flat sheet and everything together, it's all stretched out and all ready. And there you have it. Perfect.